Hello everyone, I'm Stefan Dimov, and if you're watching this video, that means that you're probably one of very few. The reason why is because generally I don't get many views on my YouTube videos and I don't have that many subscribers either. So if you think about it, it's almost like an exclusive content. So congratulations on finding this hidden gem on YouTube. But most importantly, thank you for spending the next few minutes with me. I really appreciate it. Okay, let's start with today's video in which I will tell you a little bit more about my recent ski experience in the Swiss Alps. But just bear in mind that this is not going to be your usual travel vlog because it was never intended to be one. It's basically a summary of the things I did, the things I saw while I was there, and just my overall experience. Okay? And off we go to Switzerland. Day one, we went to Elm im Sernftal.
Elm im Sernftal.
A ski resort with 40 kilometers of ski slope, 5 lifts, and a full day ticket costing 53 Swiss francs. It's one of the smaller resorts in the area, but since I had only skied in Bulgaria before, the slopes here still felt pretty impressive, and the views were absolutely breathtaking. Getting there from Molis, that's where we were staying, was exceptionally easy and much quicker than I expected. Just about an hour in total, which included a short train ride and a bus that drops you right outside the ski lifts. Renting the ski equipment was also super easy and much cheaper than I expected. So I paid a total of 140 Swiss francs for 4 days from a place called Auctioner Sport, and the quality of both the gear and service was spot on. All in all, the first day was perfect. The weather was amazing, the slopes felt like they were just for us, and of course, no ski days is complete without a food stop. So halfway through the day, we stopped at this really cute chalet to refuel with some delicious wurst and a pint of beer, because beer and skiing just go together so well. Day two, we are in Pizol. A resort with 50 kilometers of ski slopes, 12 lifts, and a noticeably bigger field compared to Elm, even though the total slope length is more or less similar, 40 in comparison to 50. A full day ski pass there costs between 67 and 69 Swiss francs, depending on whether you decide to go on a weekday or on a weekend. Okay, now I'm gonna shut up for a minute and let you enjoy and soak into the views, because I'm telling you, that place was something else.
They see me rolling, they hate it.
Day 3 was slightly different because we were joined by some non-skiing friends. So instead of hitting the slopes, we decided to take it slow and explore the beautiful nature of the Glarus canton. First up, House of Läderach. So good. While we were there, we stocked up on some really good Swiss chocolate, coffee, and croissants, and we were ready to go, baby. From the chocolate factory, we set off towards Sernftal Falls, one of Switzerland's tallest waterfalls. But on the way there, we actually had to navigate through the Bettleise Straße, a super narrow, winding road carved into the side of the mountain. The drive itself was an experience, to be honest, with insane views of the Walensee lake. Once we parked, the hike began, and whoa, what a trail. What was the highlight? Good question. The donkeys and the farm. Okay, so here's what happened. We were just kind of like minding our own business. We weren't expecting to see them, but then suddenly, there they were, just chilling with their big fluffy coats, enjoying life. So awesome. Then came the main event, which was the Sernftal Falls. And yeah, standing in front of that massive cascade of water, surrounded by nature, really put things into perspective. Honestly, it was so beautiful. After soaking all of this beauty and after the hike, we were all pretty hungry, so we decided to wrap up the day with some delicious Swiss dish. Here's a picture. And that was at a place called Hotel Zone in Amden. But you know what? Check out the view from the hotel. Day 4 and our final day in Switzerland, we went to the Flumserberg ski resort, and hands down, that was the best ski experience of my entire life. The Flumserberg ski resort offers 65 kilometers of ski slopes, 17 lifts, and some of the most breathtaking views of Walensee's lake. You know what? The moment we arrived, I could tell then and there that this is going to be a special day. Something about the combination of those wide open slopes, the crisp mountain air, and the scenery stretching as far as the eye can see, it was just unreal. In terms of pricing, the ski lift prices were more or less similar to the ones in Pizol, hovering around 67, 69 Swiss francs. But Flumserberg actually offers even more flexibility with partial day passes, as you can see here. All right, enough talking. It's time for a moment of pure beauty. So lean back and enjoy those beautiful views. And just like that, my unplanned ski adventure in Switzerland came to an end. And yes, it was my friends and the ski slopes that really made this trip memorable, but I also think that the big factor was the fact that it was quite a spontaneous trip. And in my opinion, Sometimes the best trips are the ones that just unfold as they go. No schedules, no stress, just chasing good snow, good food, and good times. Simple as that. And now I would love to hear from you guys. So let's turn the comment section below into a conversation and tell me whether you like chocolate, whether you like skiing, do you prefer hiking, do you prefer going to the beach? Did you like the video? Did you not like the video? What are your recommendations for future trips? What should I do next? What should I include? Anything you want, drop it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. And of course, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you want to subscribe, you know where the subscribe button is. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.